Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan. If you're new here, today's video is going to be a demo and review on the new Natasha Denona mini love collection. So if you're interested in my thoughts, keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to be starting off with is the Love Cheek Duo. So this is the unicarton and this nice hot pink like chrome box. I really like the packaging. It's cute. So it retails for $42 and basically it's described as an ever coveted cream blush from the Diamond and Blush palette paired with an iconic highlighting powder. Oh, that little palette. Okay, I get what she's saying. So the description says that you can create playfully bold or effortlessly wearable looks with this palette. The resplendent shades provide maximum color payoff with minimal effort. Blend in seamlessly to achieve vibrant, ultra pigmented, and long-lasting results. Okay, so the cream blush is a rich formula with a high shine, and the highlighter is a gel powder formula with a radiant finish. I did have the Love palette, the Love Glow palette last year from Natasha Denona, and I liked it initially, but then the cream in that palette started to dry out, so I was like, sis, for all that money, why is my cream drying out? So I returned it, but I still have the eyeshadow palette, so we can show you that. But let me show you this. This is so pretty. This is the Love Cheek Duo. This is really pretty. This is beautiful. I don't even know where to start. Normally I start with highlighter, so I think I want to just do that. So for my highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the Refer number 19 brush. Girl, that is pretty. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. That is a nice radiant glow that is not overwhelming or very metallic, which I like. And I think that this color is very flattering. It's like a champagne sheen. It's not so metallic that it looks like a stripe on your face. It's just a nice glow, right? Ooh, that's pretty. Put a little on my nose. A little here. Not too much. Oh, that's really pretty. A little on my chin. Oh, I love that formula. That just melted into the skin. That looks really pretty. I like it. Alright, let's do blush. For the blush, I'm just going to use this Real Techniques contour brush and let's go in. You can see that it's very glossy. Hopefully this doesn't look ashy on me, but you know, I'm here to test it out. It looks like a corally shade. Oh my god, that shows up, you guys. I'm shocked. I thought it was not going to show up on my skin tone. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. So, you guys know that I love the Bloom. Well, if you're new here, I love the Bloom face palette from Natasha Denona. She has that cream blush in there that is just pigmented and fantastic. And the fact that this is pigmented, like look at that. Look at all that blush on my face. Is really giving me life right now. I may have picked up too much, but it's pretty. Yes, Natasha. Yes. Give it to me. So it is a little bit more, it's a little cool tone, but it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm just going in with the highlighting brush just to blend the edges. Okay, there we go. What do you guys think of that? I actually really like it. It's different from anything that I have, and as you can see, it's giving that nice radiant glow to the skin. Pretty. Alright, so I'm just going to do my brows off camera and then move on to the eye palette. Alright guys, so I already have my eyes primed. I'm using a mixture of the Anastasia eyeshadow primer and my Dior Skin Correct concealer. But this is the unicarton of the Mini Love palette. So, similar chrome hot pink palette. This is what the actual palette looks like. It's cute. It's cute. I think it looks better in person than it did online. it looked a little bit more muted online, but in person it has a little bit more color payoff, which is nice to see. Just to compare it to the Original Love palette, this is what the Original Love palette looks like. So a little bit more vibrant, in my opinion. This is more muted. It did look very similar online, but now that I have them, you know, together side by side, there's definitely different colors in this mini palette compared to the larger palette. So it's probably a good add-on if you already have the large palette. So these are 5 brand new shades to the Natasha Denona eyeshadow collection, and it is described as a collection of irresistible ultra pigmented pink and purple tone eyeshadows inspired by the Love eyeshadow palette and perfect for Valentine's Day. So this is cute. She named basically the palette is a sentence, and you have "You are my true love." Isn't that cute? Very reminiscent of Marc Jacobs. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the Marc Jacobs iconic palettes, but he does a similar thing when he names his eyeshadows. They always create a sentence. So if you didn't know, now you know. So this is cute. I think that's cute that she did that. So yeah, let's just create a look on the eye using this palette. I'm probably going to use all shades in the palette, just so we can see how they work. First shade I'm going to be going in with is R. This is more of a muted mauve lilac color. Don't get me started. Maybe I should have read what Natasha described it as. I'll just go ahead and apply that into my crease. Color is definitely much more muted on my skin tone. I'm sure somebody with lighter skin tone, the color payoff would be a little bit more true to color. You can see it though compared to the other eye, but you definitely have to build it up more if you want the color to show up on darker skin tone, or you'd have to use like a very white base. Next, I'm gonna go in with You, this color right here. It's a little bit more of a chunky metallic color. I'm gonna use the rougher number 2 to apply that. That's pretty. I'm gonna go in with my finger though, because I feel like I'm losing a bit of the shine. Probably because I have a little bit of powder on my lids. So let's go in with my finger. Yeah, finger is better. I'm gonna go back in with my rougher number 2 and go in with the shade My, right on the inner crease, right on my inner corner, up to my inner crease. I went in with the color True into my upper inner crease. I go into Love using my finger and pop that right on the outer lid. There we go. Alright, next we're going to go in with My, which is that plum color, with a smudge brush. I'm going to stamp that on my lash line and kind of create a smoky wing effect. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and blending out the edges with R. All right, so this is my finished eye look. So I have on lashes and mascara. For my mascara, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara, and my lashes are the Ardell Remy lashes in the style 781. So last but not least from the collection is the I Need a Nude lipstick in the shade Amorosa 336 NP. NP, does that mean nude pink? Am I guessing correctly? I don't have any of the I Need a Nude lipsticks from Natasha Denona because I find that they're kind of more pinky. But I have to look into that again because, you know, I like more warm nudes, like a peachy, orangey type of nude on my skin tone. But we'll see if I like this formula, then I might pick up some more. I'm also interested in the lip liners that she came out with as well recently. But this is what the lipstick looks like. It's really pretty. Oh yeah, definitely more pinky. And that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the lipstick on my lip with no lip liner so we can see how the color looks on my skin tone. It does have a slight scent to it, which is a pleasant scent. It's a sweet scent. Alright, so without lip liner, this is what the lipstick is looking like. I would not wear it like this, so we're going to go ahead and put on some lip liner. For my lip liner, I'm going to be going in with the Lip Bar Straight Living Lip Liner. So this is what the lipstick looks like once I have lip liner on. It's pretty, like a nude pink. It's a nude pink. It's pretty. It's more of a satin matte finish, which is pretty comfortable, but I don't know. I'm just a glossy girl. I think it's pretty though. It's pretty, but I feel like I need a gloss. So I'm going to put a gloss on top of it. For my gloss, I'm just going to go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in Mauve Waves. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's better. And this is the finished look. Alright, so for my overall thoughts of this collection, I actually really like this collection. I think it's really pretty, especially if you're looking for a pinky, girly type of collection. I think that you guys would really enjoy it. I like the packaging of everything. This nice hot pink chrome is just giving it to me. I think it looks really good. And then, of course, you have like the snowflake effect of the face palette, which is beautiful. I love this face palette. I think the face palette is actually the best part of the collection. I'm pleasantly surprised that the blush showed up on my complexion, and I'm very happy about that because I love the cream formula of the Natasha Denona Bloom blush that she has in the Bloom face palette. And just to get another color that works on deeper skin is really exciting to me, and the fact that the highlighter is so beautiful and radiant and doesn't look chunky and metallic on my skin is giving me life. I'm very happy with this cheek palette. As for the eyeshadow palette, I think that it created a beautiful look. I actually really like the formulation of the eyeshadow palette as well. I think everything blended pretty well. Just want to keep in mind that if you are a deeper skin tone, these are going to be a little bit more muted tones on your skin tone, especially the shade right here. So you would need a more vibrant eyeshadow base for it to really show up true to color as it looks in the pan. But everything blended really nicely. I'm surprised that this plum color actually really blended nicely, and that's why I wanted to do that smoky wing, just so we can see if it got any patchiness or any chunkiness or pilling, and it didn't do any of that on my eyes. I'm really impressed. The metallics on this side are more of a smooth, sophisticated metallic, and then you have your more shiny, chunky metallic, which I think applies much better with my fingers on top of the eyeshadow base that I used instead of a brush. The lipstick is actually a very pretty color. I just prefer a more glossy lip, but I do think that it is flattering towards my skin tone with a brown lip liner. The undertone is not too pink. I think it's a really nice neutrally pinky nude, which I do believe will look pretty good on everybody depending on how you manipulate it with your lip liner. But I'm not mad at it at all. I actually really like the formula. So I am willing to try more lipsticks. If you do have any of the I Need a Nude lipsticks, please let me know which colors you like, especially if you have like a peachy brownie nude and you're similar to my skin tone. Let me know which color that is so I can go ahead and pick it up. But you guys, I'm actually really excited about this collection. I'm glad that I picked it up. I really enjoyed it. A little bit more excited about things that are launching now. So yeah, those are my thoughts for the Natasha Denona Love collection. So let me know if you picked anything up from the collection. If you are interested in anything from the collection, leave it down in the comments down below. If you are interested in any products, I will leave them all linked down below in the description box. And if you guys are new here, hi, I'm Jordine. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.